My name is Matt Butler. I was in the Air Force for 20 years. I served on an aircraft called Joint Stars, which is a reconnaissance aircraft. I really like outdoor games, and on the market, there's a lot of outdoor games that are out there. But what I did in my travels throughout my military career is I learned of a lot of different outdoor games that are out there. I took pieces and parts of games that I liked and disliked. So for example, cornhole or bag toss, they're 60-pound boards that you have to carry around. Not very portable. Horseshoes, big metal horseshoes that you're slinging that can run into your shin. That's a problem. Lawn darts, it's been banned. I took things that I liked, positive things about outdoor games, and I threw away the negative things. And I basically rolled them into one game. So I conceived the concept, and then when I got back from the deployment, they give you a little bit of time off. It's called R&R, rest and recuperation. And during that time, I prototyped the game in my garage. And then I showed it to some friends and family, and they said, hey, this is great. You get cabin fever, where you just want to get outside as soon as it warms up. And so I was thinking back on one of my deployments of just hanging out with friends and family. And it's a very simplistic game. It's a leisure game, but it's a very portable game. It's a long-lasting game. And so I conceived this game, and I just thought it would be a good fit for the outdoor market.